You may have already watched the demo on how to create this Linocut frog using some of my free brushes. If you haven't, go and check out the previous video to this one. This is sort of a follow-on quick demonstration of how you can use all of the other brushes and how you can add colour, and so you can see like the textures that the brushes can make. There's a brush as well that rolls out sort of ink in two tones, so that's quite useful to create, you know, some sort of variation in colour and tone, as you would with if you were rolling two colours out using an ink roller. So it's got a similar sort of feel to it. If you want to just check the links in the descriptions below, if you wanted to go and check the full set of brushes out, or even go and have another little look at the demo. If you like these little videos and my brushes, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and then you'll get alerts on anything new that I'm doing and access to any new free brushes or new brush sets that I'm creating.